Okay, guys, we're going to make a Jim Dine Valentine's Day heart that looks different than a heart that you've probably made before. You're going to get a piece of white paper like this big square that I'm already going to have the heart drawn on for you, okay? Then all you're going to do is you're going to make 4 lines, and I want you to draw lightly. 4 lines that go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can put one more in if you want to. And then 4 lines that go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did one more. It's okay. All right, so 4 or 5. Okay. Now, you're going to pick 2 different colors to do the outside around the heart, and you're going to do 2 different colors inside of the heart. And you can see from the example the colors switch from each square, inside and outside. Okay, so we'll do the outside first, and then it'll be easier for you to do the inside. Okay, so that's what we'll do.